Yeah, hi everyone. So in this video, we will try to log in our EC2 instance. So in the previous session, we understood right how to create the EC2 instance, what are the steps we have to follow. So all the things we have done right. So in this video, I will show you how to log in into the EC2 server. Okay, EC2 instance. So if you want to log in a server, how to log in into the server. Not only the EC2 server, any server. Okay, so there are some prerequisites, so minimum requirements like username. Okay, so password. Then let's assume if you want to log in your Facebook account, so definitely you might require username and password of your Facebook account. Okay, then we need some interface. Okay, like okay, we need some medium like laptop or a desktop. Okay, so inside that you need some medium like a browser. So browser required, right? Without browser you cannot log in, right? Even if you have the username and password. Okay, then your Facebook URL, the destination URL. Fine, the same way, even in the login of your server also, you might require the username of your server. Okay, then your password. Okay, then here the medium which we are using a tool called Putty. Okay, you must install this Putty software in your device. Then you can go and log in. Then, then finally the destination URL. So which means here server IP or server host name also you can use. Most of the cases people are using the IP only. Okay, you just go with the IP only. So here, the moment you create the EC2 mission, by default you will get a user called. Okay, so default user which is EC2 hyphen user. This is the user. Okay, you can take the same user and you can go and log in. So I will tell you how to log in and all now. So these are the minimum things you have to arrange before login. Okay, so anyhow we will go with the default user EC2 user. Okay, then password. What about password? We cannot set any password, right? But if you remember, there is a term called key pair. Correct, we generated the key pair. So the key pair only your password at the beginning. Okay, this is the encrypted password. Okay, so we downloaded, right? It might be in your download folder. We will use that term. Fine, then I already installed this Putty software. It's pretty simple. Okay, so there is a separate video for Putty installation, or you can go and download. You just go open your browser and type download Putty, then go inside, then download the respective compatible package, then install it. That's it. Okay, this is also available. Putty software is available. Okay, available. Then server IP. Now I will bring this server IP. Okay, so go to your EC2 mission dashboard. Okay, so where it is, your EC2 mission dashboard here. Okay, let me show you. Yeah, where I have installed. Yes, here. See, this is the server which I want to log in now. It is in the running state. Make sure guys, should server should be in the running state. Then only you can able to log in. In case if you are trying to stop it state, you cannot log in because it is a shutdown state. Fine, just select the checkbox. So here in the bottom you will get the public IP. Make sure. So let me write a note. IP address. Okay. So note is take the server public IP. Don't log in with the private IP. Private IP is for the internal purpose. So if you want to access from the outside, then you can use the public IP. This is the note, guys. So here the public IP is this one. Simply click on there, then this is the IP. Now we are ready to log in our server. Okay. So in the Linux, so this is the Linux machine, right? Amazon Linux. So in the Linux, there is a popular note. Everything can be done by the commands only, right? Even for the login also command only. Okay. So what is the command? SSH. Okay. SSH hyphen I. Okay. So your PEM file name. Okay. Whatever the name if you provide that PEM file along with the extension .pem also you need to provide. PEM file name, then username at the date server IP, public IP. That's it. Only this command. Okay. So make sure where you need to execute this command means wherever your PEM file is exist at that location you have to execute. Okay. Let me explain that also. So how to, these are the minimum requirements. Now I will explain the steps guys. Step 1. Okay. So step 1, you need to locate the PEM file, locate the .pem file. Okay. Then step 2, okay. So open the CMD at that location. Okay. At that location. Then step 3, execute execute the SSH command. Fine. So these are the things you have to follow guys. Okay. So minimum things are I arranged. Now I am ready to log in. Then let me follow this step 1, 2 and 3. Then I will log in and I will show you. Okay. So look at the PEM file. So my PEM file is in my downloads folder. Okay. Let me show you download. So this is the PEM file. Okay. So this is the PEM file. My suggestions are don't keep this file inside the downloads. You can cut this, you can keep in somewhere like I am maintaining all my PEM files, entire music, SK Technologies, PEM files. So here paste this. Okay. So let me refresh this. So this is the my PEM file guys, sktech-kkumar.pem. Okay. This is the step 1. Then step 2, open the CMD terminal. Okay. Okay. Open the CMD terminal at this location. So how to open the CMD here? Simply in the search bar, this is the search bar, right? Remove that and type CMD, hit enter. That's it. See, if you observe here, you are inside the PEM file only. The same location, the CMD opened. Now you can execute the SSH command. What is the SSH command? This one. SSH. Okay. So this is the command, right? Execute the SSH command. Let me write the example for that. Okay. So let me write the example SSH hyphen I sktech-kkumar.pem. Okay, then username EC2 hyphen user. Okay, then at the date IP. What is the IP? This is the IP. Same command you can go and execute, guys. Okay, SSH hyphen I. Let me increase the font. SSH hyphen I sktech hyphen k kumar. Okay, so this is the file. Then EC2 hyphen user at the date. No spaces, guys. Issued at the date, then IP. This is the IP, right? Hit enter. That's it, guys. See, first time if you are logging into the server at the first time, it will ask the confirmation. Okay, so host keys verification test this one. So you can just simply type the yes and hit enter. That's it. See, if you observe the prompt, dollar prompt, which means normal user, you logged in into your AWS instance by normal user. So how do you list out the username? You can use the who am I command. See, EC2 user we used. Okay, and if you observe PWD, this is the EC2 user home directory, the desktop. Now again, if you want to log out, just simply use the logout or exit command. See, again you back to your terminal. Again, if you use the same command to login, see this time the yes or no not prompting because first time only it will prompt. That's it, guys. So this is the way you have to log in into your server. Okay. So let me recap this. The step one, stage one, sign up your account and activate. Okay, and activate. This is also very important activation also. Then log in into your EC2, then create the EC2 instance. Okay, thereafter log in into the server. That's it, guys. So thanks for watching. So if you have any questions, please make a comment. I will try to sort it out. Okay, thank you, guys.